Unlimited Memory by Kevin Horsley. Chapter 6. The Importance of Discipline and Review. If you apply all of the techniques that you've learned so far, you'll realize that simply applying techniques won't be enough to make you a memory master. Imagine becoming a memory master, similar to becoming an Olympic gold medalist. Athletes don't win gold medals by just applying techniques. They apply them and practice them. This requires self-discipline. Now you don't have to punish yourself all day, every day, to master your memory. Instead, you should simply apply daily actions that are directed towards your goal. But what daily actions should you implement? When you use the memory methods from this book, you are guaranteed to store that information into your medium-term memory. But you'll need to review and revisit to transfer that information into the long term. Imagine your mind like a bank account. The more you invest, the more it grows. Once you create clear images in your mind, review the information 10 minutes after receiving it. Review the images, and review them forwards and backwards. Reviewing the images backwards helps you to remember them more effectively. Once you've done this, review after 1 hour, then 1 day, 3 days, 7 days, 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, 2 months, 3 months, and then it should be in your memory forever. There is no magic when it comes to memory improvement, only management. While review takes discipline, it's the key to keeping information fresh in your mind. It keeps that information alive and awake so you can connect more information to what already exists. Memory skills are an important tool in your self-improvement arsenal, but you need to provide the energy to make it work. If you work on your memory, you'll also see an improvement in your confidence as you begin to impress yourself with your amazing ability. Remember that you must do different to become different. So take these tools, make them your own, practice hard, and unleash the power of your memory.